Kaushal Jaini joins in on the show now. Kaushal, hi, afternoon. Start off with your view on gold.
Gold has seen a very corrective session from $116, $120, $1640 on the upper side to around $15 and $20 on the downside, approximately to those levels on the spot chart. We are expecting gold has to be bottom out. Gold has bottom out around 1580, especially after the Fed decision yesterday. They are wanting to continue their stimulus package and ready to cut the federal spending. This decision of Fed has led to an upside price on the gold, and we are expecting gold to test around $1630 to $1650 coming forward. This is a great opportunity for those who want to go long in gold as an investment perspective. We don't expect gold to breach $1580 very soon. There's a great probability to test $1650, and on the domestic front there's a great probability for gold to cross 30,000 rupees to 30,200 rupees is a very immediate scenario in the domestic prices of gold. So one can go long in gold on a positional basis too. For the intraday trading session, we are expecting gold to bounce back once it crosses 29,720. So one can go long in gold about 29,720 with a stop loss of 29,650 and upside target of 29,850.
Kaushal, what about silver? How would you advise investors to play, or rather traders to play silver today?
Silver on the same note is very strong. We are expecting silver to bounce back to 55,000 levels today once it crosses 54,500 levels. So one can go long in silver about 54,500 with a stop loss of 54,250 and upside target of 55,000 levels. Silver on the same note of gold, we are seeing some great short covering due to the Fed stimulus and again the uncertainty across the world. Industrial demand of silver could pick up once the quarter of the March ends on the Indian fund, and also the quarter of June begins, April to June begins in the next year. So we are seeing great buying in the next quarter in silver, at least as the industrial demand and also on the precious metal side.
Right, and what about your views on crude?
Energy pack has been a lackluster, and we could see some rebounds in the energy prices, especially crude. Crude is very stable between $91 on the downside to $93.50 on the upper side. This 250 level on the WTI is the expected range for again the next week. On the domestic front, one can see an upside prices in the crude because of the rupee factor. We are expecting rupee to test around 54.50 to 54.55. This levels on this depreciation on the rupee could lead to an upside territory in the prices of crude. One can go long in crude about 51.20, below which crude does not seem to be a great buy, but once it breaks those levels of 51.20, we are expecting crude to test around 51.70, 51.80 levels. So we'll go long about 51.20 with a stop loss of 50.80 and an upside target of 51.70 to 51.80 levels.
Vandana Bharti, she's a senior research analyst at FMC Comtrade who now joins in on the show. Vandana, going to start off with your strategy on silver, given that there is quite a bit of speculative buying coming about.
Yeah, we have seen some buying in coming in metals, and especially in the morning we got some good news after the disappointing news of Cyprus that China manufacturing sector has improved to some extent, and yes, this is good for commodities, and even silver is doing good. And if we talk about short to mid term, I'm expecting that silver may outperform gold, so any lower level should be advisable to go for buy for this commodity. So for intraday, I'm expecting that this commodity may touch the mark of 54,600 in today's trading session. So investors can buy it at current market price for the target of 54,600 with a stop loss of 54,050.
And Vandana, in the global markets, we've also seen copper rebound from 7-month lows. So what is it that you'd recommend for traders in India?
Yeah, even in Indian market we can see some kind of buying coming out in base metal counter as well. But yes, here INR is appreciating, and it will limit the upside of entire base metal counter. So yes, for a small target, I would like to give buy call in copper as well. So just go for buy for 419 at the level of 490 for the target of 423 to 423.5 with a stop loss of 417 here.